Hello and welcome to our video on Chat GPT, or Generative Pretrained Transformer. In this video, we'll be discussing what Chat GPT is, how it works, and how it has the potential to change the world. So, what is Chat GPT? Simply put, it is a type of artificial intelligence that is able to engage in conversation with humans in a way that is both natural and human-like. It is able to generate responses to questions and prompts in real time, using a combination of pre-trained language models and machine learning algorithms. But how does it work? ChatGPT relies on a process called pre-training. This involves feeding a massive amount of data, such as text from books or articles, into a machine learning model. The model then uses this data to learn about language and how to generate responses that are coherent and natural. Once the model has been pre-trained, it can then be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as answering questions or engaging in conversation. This is where the generative part of ChatGPT comes in. The model is able to generate responses to prompts and questions in a way that is both natural and human-like. But why is ChatGPT such a big deal? Well, for one, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and artificial intelligence. Imagine being able to have a conversation with your phone or computer in the same way you would with a human. This could make things like customer service or technical support much more efficient and effective. But ChatGPT has the potential to do much more than just improve customer service. It could also be used to create more personalized and engaging experiences for users. For example, imagine being able to have a conversation with a virtual assistant that is tailored specifically to your interests and needs. This could be a game changer for e-commerce, allowing companies to offer more personalized recommendations and experiences to their customers. Another area where ChatGPT could have a big impact is education. Imagine being able to have a conversation with a virtual tutor or mentor that is able to tailor its responses and teaching style to your individual needs and learning style. This could make learning more engaging and effective, and could even help to bridge the education gap for students who might not have access to traditional forms of education. But ChatGPT isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for it to be used for nefarious purposes, such as spreading misinformation or impersonating people online. There is also the risk that it could be used to automate certain jobs, potentially leading to job displacement. However, with proper safeguards and regulations in place, ChatGPT has the potential to be a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way we interact with computers and artificial intelligence. It has the potential to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more personalized, and it could even help to bridge some of the gaps that exist in our society. So there you have it, a brief overview of ChatGPT and how it could change the world. We hope you found this video informative and that it has given you a better understanding of this exciting and innovative technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.